I'm going to be showing you how to change the price of a buy it now on eBay. So to change the price of a buy it now listing on eBay, the steps depend on whether the item has bids or not. So if the listing has no bids, you can edit the price easily. You can just look at the bottom where you can find selling right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and then you just need to find the item in active listings, and you can edit it and you can change the price. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is click save or revise listing. So if the listing already has bids, you cannot change the price directly. You have two options. You can either end the listing early and relist it with a new price, or let the auction finish and relist afterwards. So if you simply change prices and frequently do it, then consider using sell similar to quickly relist with a new price. So in this way, you can successfully change the price of a buy it now on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.